Hello, my name is Miguel, and today I'm going to make for you cassava pudding. So you're going to need, this is cassava, you're going to need 1.5 pounds of cassava, grated fine, 1.5 cups of sugar, brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1/2 cup cornmeal, 2 cups of coconut milk or cow's milk, 1/2 cup of raisins soaked, teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. It's optional. 1/2 cup of water, teaspoon of sea salt. Any salt is good, but sea salt is better. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of oil or butter, melted butter, coconut oil or melted butter. So I'm going to juice this. You're not going to see it, it's going to fast forward, and I'm going to grate this. And 8.5 baking pan with a lid. First thing first, get certain things out of the way. Baking pan, grease paper, 2 sheets, right, cut within the ink, inside the ink. The scissors is not so sharp. You can tear it too. Just tear it along the circle. We'll look for the scissors then. A better scissors. Just cut inside the ink. Add a little oil or butter. Glossy side up. And put alright, that's a side for later. As for the raisins, just measure your 1/2 cup. It's about 1/2 cup. And just soak this. Okay. Just measure your 2 cups and put that aside. One and a half of cassava. See, they're good. So I'm going to peel this now. We're going to grate it. To make it more manageable. Cut this in half. Just peel it. Let's peel off the skin. It's best to grate this as you're about to use it. This is what they used to make bami as well. We're going to grate this fine. Use a fine grater. The fine section of your grater. Too difficult to hold, making it finer so I can hold it better. This is tiresome, man. Alright, so that's it. Just grate it down till it can't stop no more. Don't put blood in the people and things. And just clean this off. So that's your 1.5 pounds. You preheat your oven on 350 degrees Fahrenheit 8 to 10 minutes before baking. So measure your sugar. One cup and a half. Add your coconut milk. add your vanilla. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract and a half cup of water, and just stir this in gently. And we're going to sip the flour over this. When you remove the water from the raisins, don't squeeze it. Do not squeeze it. Should I keep a cup of put on top? I'm just going to take it out there. My leftovers. Half cup of cornmeal. 1 cup of flour. You can use baking flour or all-purpose, it doesn't matter. Just put in. One cup. Add the flour. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon. This is optional. Your oven should be preheating just about now. A teaspoon of salt. This is just about a teaspoon. Allspice, 1 teaspoon. Baking powder and baking soda now. Baking soda. And baking powder. 1 teaspoon each. And add a teaspoon of oil. Melted butter. So now the sieve it over. Sieve. You know, if you don't want to use cornmeal, you can use straight flour, but just use the same amount of flour as you would with the cornmeal. Alright, let's see this. I remember. Nutmeg. Get fairly nutmeg. So now just fold this in. Alright, it's gonna be this liquidy because it's pudding. Take a baking pan and just pour it. Alrighty. Look people, this is almost like sweet potato pudding. and I'm gonna put it in the oven. This advice is for the foreigners. Jamaicans get it. It's gonna be liquidy, and when it's finished it's gonna be soft on the top, almost like liquid, but that's it, because you want that creamy top. Don't think it's not finished or anything. Once it's cool, it's gonna get harder, trust me. Barely. Let's cover it. I'll put it in the oven now. I forgot. I did take out a couple of those things. I know they're gonna sink anyways, but they might not. Right in the middle rack. Set your timer for 1 hour and 35 minutes. With your oven set at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Do not open the oven within the time. Okay, it's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. I didn't open the oven, and I'm just patiently waiting on it to bake. Okay, the time is coming down. Remove the cake. I was so eager to take it out, because just like you're probably worried if it's burning or anything, but it's not. So you're gonna see this for the first time like me. Voila, that's what you want. Don't worry about this. It's gonna get soft. So that's it. Just keep it covered for a little while. After 5 minutes, just remove the lid and put a mesh over it, because I don't want it to sweat and the water drip on top. Just put a mesh and just allow it to cool before serving. I'll take this apart. Just use something flat. I like this spoon because it has a flat edge. See how it look glassy on the top. That's it's okay. Okay, let's sample this thing. It's nice.